Okay, a little bit of an unboxing update here on the Corsair power supply. You just gotta love Corsair products really, so just opened it up, taking it out of the box. You just gotta like the way that they're all packaged. Power cord comes with some sort of little tool bag. Say tool bag, I'm sure it's got all the cables in there. Try and do this one-handed. Certainly not a professional cameraman by any stretch of the imagination. Yeah, we got all your modular cables in there for the power supply itself. Very nice. Just got to like the way it's packaged up really. When you get a Corsair product, it comes in the velvet bag. PSU in there. Let's just get that out and take a look. And so there we have it, taken out of the packaging. Nice brand spanking new Corsair RM850X. I say brand spanking new, I've had it about 15 months as I've very slowly been gathering parts of this build, waiting for various processors to become available, and eventually settling in on that AMD Ryzen 3800X for a number of reasons really. There you can see the modular connections. So that's the next thing to go into the rig now. But well done Corsair on your packaging. I always like receiving Corsair products. Always well packaged, and you just know you're buying good quality when it comes to Corsair. And no, I'm certainly not sponsored by Corsair. I'd very much doubt they want to do that with the quality of my videos. But at least you can get to see the components. There you go.